Scene 1, take 3.
This is the newly launched Google Chromecast. At the global launch of the Google Pixel smartphones, the Chromecast was not really announced by the company. In fact, it went on sale right after the Pixel phones were launched. The new Chromecast is actually now available in India as well. It is available for a price of Rs 3499, and there are some perks that you get along with the purchase of the new Chromecast. And just like any other Google device in India, reviewers get this really cool Google Chromecast box. Obviously, the Chromecast is not as big as this box, so let's just unbox and figure out what you get inside it. I'm Ershad from Mr. Phone, and let's get started. So you know what, on opening the top lid, there's this really nice ticket which says, "Dear Ershad, movie nights at home are awesome." Obviously, I'll keep that aside. There are some coasters. You know what, let me just open them up. Looks like old Bollywood dialogues. Pushpa, I hate tears. Oh, these are fun. This is good too. You know what, there are 4 of them. I'll keep that aside. Apart from that, Google has also given us this really nice Blue Tokai coffee beans. They make some premium beans, of course. Ta-da! I shall keep this for last. And what's a movie night without a nice gourmet popcorn box? This is the most unique box inside this massive box. I don't really know what's inside it. Let's just unwrap this neatly. Wow, I honestly don't know what this is. Let's just unwrap that. Srihari says maybe they're sending the TV afterwards. This looks rather nice, honestly. Let's just unbox this and quickly get it out of the box. Interestingly, we're actually shooting this on a Pixel 3 XL, so you can see the quality of the video as well. Obviously, it tops out at 4K 30 FPS. This is a really nice lamp with a bulb. We'll set that up soon for you guys and show you how that looks. So now that we've unboxed that rather big box, let's just get down to the unboxing of this little tiny box. And this is what you get inside the retail version of the Chromecast, the new Chromecast in India, which sells for Rs 3499. What you get with that is 1 year of Sony Live or Live subscription and 6 months of Gaana Plus as well, free with the Chromecast. Now, one of the things about the Chromecast that you guys have to know is that it needs an Android smartphone for it to work. It doesn't have a standalone UI on your television like an Amazon Fire TV stick or an Apple TV. We've taken the wrap off. Let's just unbox this quickly. Ooh, this is a really nice redesign of the Chromecast. It's got a cable and now it doesn't need to be attached to the TV, so it doesn't take space at the back, which is great. And what else do you get inside the box? Looks like a very bare basic box. Of course, you get the power cable. Remember that the Chromecast always needs to be connected to the power socket. It's not a wireless device. So that's it. That's what you get inside the new Google Chromecast box. So that's it from us. That was our unboxing of the new Google Chromecast. Do let us know in the comment section below if you're actually going to buy it. And you know what, we'll use it and we'll give you a verdict on the Chromecast very soon. Until next time, this is Ershad from Mr. Phone signing off. Goodbye.